Baykar's new UAV, the Bayraktar TB3, is coming. Baykar's defense technical manager Selçuk Bayraktar shared a section of the test of the engine produced locally by TEI in his Twitter account and gave the good news for the Bayraktar TB3 UAV. Selçuk Bayraktar stated in his post that the domestic engine PD-170 made by TEI has been tested and this engine will be integrated in the Akinci UAV and also Bayraktar TB3. TAI Anka-S is a serial production configuration of Anka. It is equipped with Viasat's VR-18C high-power SATCOM antenna and a national flight control computer. The Anka-S is much more bigger than the Bayraktar TB2, and also it can take a much more bigger payload than Bayraktar TB2. The TB3 UAV will not be a different type of Anka-S. It will be placed between Anka-S and TB2. Defense Turk writer Kadir Doğan about Selçuk Bayraktar's sharing said that with TB3 we are likely to see some structural change in TB2 as well. I think satellite communication can be integrated. A TB2 to be integrated with satellite communication will be much more dangerous.